Hey there foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are cooking up a North African classic that's sure to spice up your breakfast game. Shakshuka. Let's get started. So first let's heat some oil in a pan. Into that add some chopped garlic. Add some green chilies, saute it for some time. Then finely chopped onions. Cook until they are translucent, about 5 minutes. Now it's time to add some chopped tomatoes with some tomato puree. Saute it. Then add the spices like some turmeric powder, red chili powder and some salt. Mix it. Now cover the pan and cook till the tomatoes are cooked really well. Now it's time to add the eggs. Crack an egg into each well. Cover it and cook until the eggs are cooked to your desired doneness. Remove the pan from the fire. Now you can serve it hot with some crusty bread or chapatis. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. If you give this shakshuka recipe a try, do let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more recipe videos. See you in the next video.